Good evening. My name is Mr. Feliz. I teach Honors U.S. History and Psychology in the first semester and Sociology in the second semester. Of course, Honors U.S. History is a full year course. Thank you for visiting on this orientation or open house night. Appreciate you stopping by my Canvas homepage for the course that your child is enrolled in. Everything that we do in class, you'll be able to see as assignments posted in Canvas. Everything that I hand out in class will also be posted in Canvas. Everything that students turn in to me, every test or quiz that we take, all of that will be done through Canvas. So if you're interested, if Focus, the Focus Gradebook is not caught up and you want to see if students have work that is yet to be completed and turned in, you should be able to find that on your students' Canvas page. As far as getting a hold of me when needed, the two best options are emailing me through my school email, which is posted on the homepage of every one of my Canvas courses, as well as a Google number that you can send a text to. That is also listed on each of the of the Canvas homepages for those individual courses or individual sections of courses. If you try to message me through Focus, through the Focus messaging system, or through Canvas messaging, I will unlikely get it in a timely manner, and you probably won't receive a response as quickly as you like. I just don't see those messages. They don't come to me as efficiently as an email through my school email or a text through that Google number will get to me. Those are the two most efficient ways to get a hold of me, and you can expect a pretty quick reply if you contact me through one of those means. Students should be able to keep up with anything they miss on days that they're not in school, whether it be for an extended absence, like a quarantine because of COVID exposure, or 1 or 2 days out for sickness or a family trip or whatever the case may be. They can keep up by visiting every day the Canvas page. If we've done anything in class that I expect to be done at home or to be turned in, it will be posted in Canvas. If the student doesn't see something for a specific day, that means we're doing something in class that we could not replicate in Canvas, and we'll catch up with those students when they get back to school. I think that's just about it. I hope you guys enjoy all of the rest of the videos that you visit tonight for the various classes that your student is enrolled in. Again, if you need to contact me, please feel free to do so. I look forward in the future to hopefully meet some of you. And until then, have a great evening. We'll talk to you soon.